Ayan nga. So, yung combong yun is 3 tricks lang ang gagamitin natin, which is the palm down, twisted sonic, index around, and thumb around. So, lahat ng tutorial ng tricks na to is nasa profile ko, so check nyo na lang. So, first is twisted sonic. So, next is execute natin yung index around. Ipapatong lang natin. Twisted, then index around. So, pagka twisted sonic nyo, pag andito na siya, ito lang yung pangarang alalay nyo, guys. Iikot nyo na siya, gagawin nyo na siyang index around, then kakatch nyo na siya agad. So, twisted, then ganon, then ito, alalay. So, nakatch nyo na, alalay, then ito, push nyo agad. So, push nyo, and get. So, gano'n lang siya. Simple lang siya, pero ang pinakamahirap lang dito is yung pag-catch. Okay. So, first, tonic, and kuha. Like that. So, timing lang. Like that. So, hope it helps.